everybody, welcome in my second tutorial on this channel. Today I want to make this as short as possible, because if you are here, you want a short solution about how to use Hunyuan3D via API. I was at the same place as you because I want to automate the flow with generating 3D models. So I started to looking about how to use this via API, but this is possible, of course, but for people who are able to run this locally, so don't have as poor GPU as I. And if you can run this official distribution of Hunyuan, then you can use this via code like this or using API server. But I have 6GB VRAM in my 2060 RTX, so I have to find another way. First idea was to read some simple Selenium bot, which should click there to update photo, then set parameters and click generate shape only. But I think this reinventing circle again, and I really don't like to this. But when I use Hunyuan via this GradioAPI, app, I saw that every action from here can be looked inside terminal. So this diffusion sampling starts, then iterating through these images should appear, as we can see here, implicit function. Then we can see some requests. So this is obvious for me that there in background is some API, but I wasn't sure where it is and how to use this. But after a few scrolls, I saw this use via API button, and here is this what I looking for, because here we have simple example how to use this via code. Only which we have to do at the beginning is install this Gradio client. Then from Gradio client we should import client and use this like the shortest way of the same thing which we have to put inside UI. I already copied this inside my Visual Studio. At the beginning I would like to show you the same request as here. This is the same code like in this shape generation endpoint. Here I put my name of my item which I want to create, which is this vase. So I have to run this code. Then we can look inside terminal. Something starts to happen here. And now we have location of this created mesh. It's here, and voila, we have created this beautiful vase. And the reason why you are here is probably there, because here I add the function wait for result with 400 seconds timeout, check interval 5 seconds, so every 5 seconds for 400 seconds it checks if results appear. So if we have created this mesh, then select next photo and do it again and again as many times as images in this list. So you can add over 100,000 millions photos and constantly generate meshes using this code. Besides, you can increase steps, amount and resolution here if you want better models or if you have stronger PC. I would show you how to work with this code. So run this. Then we can look in terminal how it's going with this.